Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and I never start videos with makeup on already. But today, this is the makeup that we're going to be creating. This is the makeup that I wore for Christmas Eve, my family get together. I went all out, green, red hair. We're festive this year. Okay, so if you guys want to see how to create this actually super easy look, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and film. What are you looking at? What are you looking at me for? Making me a burst. So I have one eye done on this side. I was kind of just playing around and seeing what I could come up with. This is definitely something that is not in my normal. It's kind of a mess, but you know what? Christmas Eve, I can rock the green, the red, whatever. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so here is one eye done, and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on this side. You like my cute little Christmas tree in the background? Anyway, let's dive in. So I really wanted to play with the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. I haven't filmed with that yet, so let's go ahead and dive in. Before we get started with the eyeshadow, I do want to prime. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and just put this on my eye. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape or whatever concealer you would like to use as a base, and put that all over my eyelids so we have a nice even canvas. And then taking some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, I'm going to set this in place. I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on my eye to create that shape, putting it on the back of my hand to remove some of the stickiness so it doesn't hurt when we peel it off. I'm going to be taking the color Nate, which is named after his boyfriend, and I'm going to be taking that with a Sigma E39 and putting that in my crease and blending that out. This green is not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, so I end up going in with another green as well. And because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to go a little bit higher than my natural crease, just so the color doesn't disappear when I open my eyes. And then cleaning my brush off with a color switch or whatever, you can use a paper towel or whatever you want to do. But I just want to make sure I remove that color so I can blend this a lot better. And then going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette here, I'm going to be taking the color Potion and just going above that here, just to kind of deepen up that color. So going in with a Sigma E25 and lightly going into the color What's the Tea, I'm going to blend above that Potion color. Like I said, this was a little too dark for what I wanted, but I'm doing this to match the other eye. And then cleaning that off, I'm going to go in with the color Mr. Diva, blend that on top, and I'm going to take the color Lynn, and I'm going to go on my brow bone. Now this is where the fun part begins. I'm going to be taking the P. Louise base, squirting some on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to be grabbing that with the P. Louise brush, and I'm going to be carving out my crease. Make sure that brush is nice and saturated. And then I'm going to be taking a Sigma eye shading E55 with the color Designer Label and just filling that all in. And then this is where I went kind of crazy. I'm going to go in with the Stila liquid glitter, the liquid eyeshadows in the color Diamond Dust. And this is going to be like my glitter glue for the glitter I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to kind of lightly put that on, keeping it more on the lid area. And then going in with a NYX glitter. This is in the color 08, but look at this glitter. That's an intense gold. And I'm going to be using this brush that I actually got from Yes Style, just a really flat shader brush. I'm going to pack the glitter on my lid. And then taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to clean up any of the fallout. Remove this here. Clean any of that up. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with some liquid liner and creating this wing. I'm going to put my foundation on, which will be my favorite Glam foundation, which I've reviewed before. Love this stuff. I'm gonna wear this because I know it does not break me out and it lasts forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. All right, what do you guys think? Lashes make everything so much better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeshadow underneath my eyes here. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E32 Exact Blend, and I'm going to be going back in with that potion color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and blend that underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the color What's the Tea and blend that as well. I'm going to be going in with the Juvia's Place SIREN Blush Volume 2 palette. I don't know if I've used this on my channel yet, but I'm going to be carving out my cheeks here with the color Yara. Ooh, it's like an orange color. Oh, that's a bit too orange. Cross that out. I'm gonna go in with my tried and true Milani bronzer, and we'll try that again here. Oh, that is pigmented. Oh no. That is way too pigmented. Well, it's gonna be a little intense on this side of my face. Oh dear. Pigmented, like for real. Okay, let's try one of these blushes. Let's go in with the color B, which is this really pretty purple. Ooh, let's go in with this highlighter called Zoba. I'm gonna try that. Might be a little dark for me, but let's try. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I'll go in with my favorite highlighter, which is Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut by NikkieTutorials. Like, that highlight is just the best. And now I'm gonna go in with a red lippy. This is Sigma's liquid lipstick in the color Venom. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a look for sure. If this doesn't say Christmas, then I don't know what does. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and I'll be right back. All right, and here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I definitely feel super festive. Right now I'm wearing an outfit from Dolls Kill. I got this top from them and I actually featured it in one of my Vlogmas videos, so definitely check that out, but I'll show you guys again just how it looks together all complete. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas and I'll see you guys next time.